Here in Photoshop we will create the designs using these shapes here. I will generate another shape within that. Let's keep on generating the new shapes. I will find it, create another one. Let's take the further designs. So there we are. I will explain the different options. So keep using the new shapes. There it is. I will find another shape here. Add a paint over it. Let's take the eraser tool over these shapes. Keep making the new designs. Here are the further shapes. We have to collect different visuals.